Now you might be wondering if people actually fail with Wealthy Affiliate because of course, all these courses and platforms always talk about success, but they might not tell you so much about the failures. So I'm going to tell you about that. First of all, what exactly do you mean by failure? I'm going to define it as someone who tried Wealthy Affiliate. So they tried the training, they tried the expert stuff, they actually put it into practice, they actually used the stuff that was taught to them, and then they decided to quit at some point. Maybe they didn't like it, or it wasn't working for them, and they stopped doing blogging, the stuff they learned on Wealthy Affiliate. They stopped affiliate marketing and they moved on to maybe another business model, or they just quit everything altogether. So basically someone who started this, tried the stuff that Wealthy Affiliate teaches, and ended up quitting. That's how I define a failure. So of course there are failures. There are tons and tons of failures with Wealthy Affiliate, as there are with literally any educational platform, any business model that you can think of, right? Most people don't have the patience to stick to one thing long enough for it to become successful. So let's look at Authority Hawker. They actually have a really famous blog teaching people how to start profitable blogs and websites. And so they actually conducted a survey across 2,270 affiliate marketers to find out some really key data here that I'm going to share with you. So the average affiliate marketer, according to the study, earns over $8,000 a month, and this is across all experience levels. That's over $96,000 a year that they're making. And so if you look at the biggest difference here between the incomes, if you look at years of experience versus average monthly income, you can see that as the years of experience goes up, the income goes up significantly. Someone who just starts, so within 1 year of doing affiliate marketing or blogging, is making only about $636 on average per month. And then if you stick to it just for another year or so, that number jumps up to almost like 8 times as much. You're making over $4,000 a month, which is a full-time income for a lot of people. But if you stick around just a couple more years, if you're in the 3 to 5 year range, that's when you're averaging almost $11,000 in profit per month from your blogging or affiliate marketing business. So that's a really great goal for most people, most Americans, most Canadians. Not a lot of people are making $10,000 a month. And so you can do that relatively passively once you have a team of people supporting you, which most bloggers who get to that 3 to 5 year mark do have. So if you look at, affiliate marketers earning 6 figures, they usually have on average about 6+ team members. And so the number of team members goes up as as your income goes up, the team members goes up as well. So for example, if you're around the 10K range, then you have somewhere between 3 and 7 people helping you out with your blog. So these could be contractors that you hire on Fiverr or Upwork, or maybe you hired someone full-time. This sounds complicated, but you can literally just have people researching stuff and sending you like their written blogs that you can just post. So just by sticking to the skills that you learn in Wealthy Affiliate for 3 to 5 years, on average, you would be expecting to make around almost $11,000 a month in profit. So I don't know about you, but most jobs, if you start a normal job at $60,000 a year, it's not likely that you're going to be making even $100,000 per year within like 3 or 4 years, right? Most jobs give you a really tiny raise. If you're really lucky, you might get like a 5 to 10% raise every year. But a lot of jobs these days are not even keeping up with inflation. So you have to like switch jobs a lot of times to actually get a significant boost in your income. But even then, like going from maybe 50 or 60,000 to 120,000 a year within 3 to 5 years is just a dream for most Americans and for most people around the world. So Wealthy Affiliate definitely works. The only way you can truly fail is if you give up too soon within like 2 years. If you quit, then you'll probably fail. But if you're willing to stick through this, if you're willing to put the training that they teach you, all the classes, all the tools, all the support that you get, if you apply that and you stay consistent for at least 2 years, then you're probably not going to quit and you most likely will be successful according to the data. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use my link in the description, and there's no credit card required. There's literally no risk for signing up and trying it out. Now you might be wondering what the biggest complaints are from people reviewing Wealthy Affiliate. So click this video on your screen and I'll tell you.